Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Park, engage the parking brake, and remove jewelry. Once done, confirm the starter has at least a 50% charge. You need reliable current delivery. Make the first physical connections now. Red clamp to the battery positive plus, then black clamp to a clean engine ground point, never on the plastic or fuel lines. You do this to prevent sparks near hydrogen off the battery and to ensure the jumper delivers current where the starter needs it most. You now power the unit and prepare to crank. Set the jump starter to boost or start mode. Give it 2 to 3 seconds to stabilize so it supplies peak current. Then crank the engine in controlled bursts, 3 to 5 seconds, so you avoid overheating the starter motor. Make sure to pause 15 to 30 seconds between attempts to let the unit recover voltage. If you see no response after 3 attempts, switch to a sustained charge mode or consult the device manual. Repeated hard cranking harms both battery and when the engine fires, keep it running and hold the RPM near 1000 for about 5 minutes so the alternator can begin recharging the battery. After that, you disconnect the jump starter. Always remove the black clamp first, then the red to reduce spark risk. Recharge your portable unit before storing and inspect clamps for corrosion. If the car still won't start, check for a poor clamp contact or corroded terminals. Clean and reseat them firmly, because most failures come from bad connections rather than the starter itself.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.